In this video, you'll learn how to start a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face, get more views on YouTube, and get more subscribers. If you want to make money doing something you absolutely love without showing your face, then you're in the right place. So let's dive right into it. In today's digital world, video is king. In fact, a recent survey conducted by HubSpot revealed that 54% of customers want to see more video from the brands they buy from. That means half of your audience are already craving for marketing videos. And with our 10-step guide, you'll be able to grow on YouTube and start to make money online. Step 1. Know your prospect. Before you even think about creating or posting videos, it's crucial to know who your target audience is. Example, moms or dads in their 50s or 60s who want to make money online. They may be seeking a full-time income or looking for a side hustle to make extra money. By understanding your dream customers' needs and interests, you can create content that truly resonates with them. Like me, I'm in my 50s. That's why I created this video to show you that you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. So grab a notebook or notepad and jot down the basic facts of your prospect, their age, gender, income level, interests, and what keeps them up at night. You want to convince them that your product or service is the solution they've been looking for. Remember, one common mistake is trying to reach everybody. By doing that, you end up reaching no one. Instead, imagine you're talking to your best friend or even a 4-year-old. Speak their language and address their unique needs. That's how you build a loyal audience and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Step 2. Keyword research and content plan. Research is your secret weapon. Before diving into any content creation, take the time to do some keyword research. You can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find out what people are searching on Google or on YouTube so that people can find you, not you finding them. Look into search volumes and how your competitors are doing on YouTube. Check out video content with the highest views. What titles get the most views? And what do their thumbnails look like? This research helps you find facts, figures, and human interest stories that inspire strong, compelling ideas for your videos. And you can find the vidIQ and TubeBuddy links in the description below. Step 3. Create your branding. Now that you know your audience and you have your content plan in place, it's time to create your branding. Start by setting up your YouTube channel with a catchy name that tells your audience what your content is about. Example, if you're a mom or dad who has been cooking for so many years now and you've been telling friends your secret recipe, you can find a catchy name that tells them what your content is about. You can go to canva.com to design a professional looking logo and a channel art for your YouTube channel that captures the essence of your channel. Remember, your branding should be visually appealing and resonate with your target audience. Step 4. Shoot your video. You don't need any fancy equipment to create great videos. Just grab your phone, your smartphone, and find a well-lit area and start recording yourself. Once you're done, you can upload your videos on canva.com, again, to enhance your video with vibrant colors, high quality graphics, and you can add animations too. This will make your videos visually appealing and engaging for your viewers. This holds your viewers' attention and pleasing to watch, not just a talking head. If you want a shortcut, you can also use Pictory. With Pictory, you can add stock footage, music, and voiceovers in just minutes. It's perfect for tight production deadlines. Step 5. Optimize your videos for search. To increase your chances of being found on YouTube, it's crucial to optimize your videos for search. Pay attention to your video title, description, tags, and thumbnail. These elements play a vital role in helping your video rank higher in search results. Don't forget to add your video to relevant playlists and make it public to maximize its visibility. Step 6. Trigger the YouTube algorithm. Now here's where things really get exciting. To grow on YouTube, you want to trigger the YouTube algorithm. Here are a few tips to achieve that. First, optimize your videos with relevant keywords, just like search engine optimization. Encourage audience interaction by asking them to comment, like, and share. Publish consistently to show the algorithm that your channel is active and worth promoting. Use end screens and annotations to keep your viewers engaged and promote your content. And don't forget to leverage YouTube Shorts, which are perfect for reaching new audiences. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds in length. Shorts are like teasers for your long form videos that can help you reach new audiences and attract traffic to your channel and website. Step 7. Publish and engage. Congratulations! Your video is now live, but the journey doesn't end there. It's time to engage with your audience by responding to their comments, answering questions, and showing genuine appreciation for their support. Building a strong relationship with your viewers will create a community and keep them coming back for more. Step 8. Analyze and improve your performance. To ensure continuous growth, it's crucial to track your results and analyze how your content is performing. By monitoring your metrics, you can identify what's working and what's not. This will help you make informed decisions and improve your content and promotion strategies. Step 9. Repurpose. Don't let your content go to waste. Repurpose your videos to reach a wider audience from other platforms. How do I repurpose my videos? Well, example, this video, before I created it, I based it from an article I wrote, which I posted on my website, and it had the same title, 10 Steps on How to Start a YouTube Channel 2023 Beginner's Guide. You can take snippets from your YouTube videos and create short clips for your Instagram and TikTok. You can add captions, vertical formats, and also add text overlays and graphics to make your videos engaging and shareable. For Instagram, videos can be up to 60 seconds long, and for TikTok, up to 60 seconds or 3 minutes long. Repurposing your content allows you to expand your reach and increase your visibility across multiple platforms. Step 10. Monetize your channel. Finally, it's time to monetize your channel and turn your passion into profits. And there are many ways to do it. One, you can earn revenue from advertising where YouTube places ads on your videos. Another one is brands may reach out to you through sponsorships, or you can do affiliate marketing, promoting products and services that are not yours, and earn commissions from any sales generated from your unique link. By following these steps, you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face, make money online using YouTube, and start generating passive income from your content. Get the most number of views, get the most number of subscribers, and grow your YouTube channel fast. So there you have it, the 10 essential steps on how to start a YouTube channel in 2023 and make money online doing what you love. So if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, I encourage you to consider joining Matt Barr's free training on how to start or make money on YouTube without recording videos. This training is perfect for anyone without experience and technical skills. So watch this video.
Do you want to discover how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face, recording any videos, or making any videos? And I know that sounds crazy, but I'd like to invite you to a completely free training in which I'm going to show you exactly how you can succeed on YouTube without ever showing your face. And while I can't guarantee that you're going to get over 1 million subscribers, what I can guarantee is that you're going to discover the exact same tactics that I use within my YouTube business to run 9 different YouTube channels. I got over 1 million subscribers on this channel, over 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels, and I want to show you exactly how you can do this too. On this free training, I'm going to show you the best niches to do this in, how to generate tons of videos super quickly, and most importantly, how to get millions of views on your videos. And look, this doesn't require some big upfront investment. This doesn't even require any technical skills. And if you look at all the people flashing across your screen right now, these are all people having success with this method. Now, while I can't promise you these results, what I can promise you is that you're going to discover the same exact tactics that they're using. And how do I know that? Because they all attended this same exact free training that I'm inviting you to attend today. So if you want to attend the free training, I really look forward to showing you this really unique method that I've hardly seen taught anywhere else online. And I know you're going to get a ton of value from it. I can't wait to see you at the free training. See you there.